everyone, welcome back to the class. So in today's class I am going to give you the revision because as we know there will be a first exam is going to start. Okay, say one exam. So for that only I thought you to give you the revision and in this video what we are going to learn. So in this video we are going to learn some important grammar points that it's important, no, by that is important. And second point is key, you will get an idea ki what types of questions will be there in the exam question paper. Okay, so I would like to say one thing to you children clearly कि you are writing at home and like teachers won't come and she or he can't able to see कि either you are copying or writing by yourself. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to copy, it's up to you if you want to prove yourself कि no I didn't copy, because if you have to say this word to yourself, no I won't copy, I'll practice well and then I'll go move ahead and I'll write by myself. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, I can't say ki please don't do this, please don't do that. So you will listen to me and then finally you'll do what you want. So it's finally and 100% up to you. So now this model question paper I am going to give. So in this question paper what I have seen, so here they have given for the 40 marks, but for your exam question paper, like exam question paper, what we are going to make, that will be for 90 marks, 90. Okay, so don't fix in this ki okay this much of questions only will be there, so don't worry, only simple grammar points will be there. So then you can easily write it down or else you can copy it easily, so don't think like that. So now in this 40 marks का जो question paper है, sorry, so whatever we have the question paper over here, so I am going to discuss with you all the important grammar points. Okay, and then their uses, and as well as if you don't know the meaning of that particular word, that also I am going to tell you over here. Okay, so without any further delay let's move on and don't skip this video. Okay, so now let us have a look the first question. So in the first question what they have asked, so here they have asked read the given conversation and choose the language function for the underlined sentences. Okay, underlined sentence. Okay, so here you have to read it carefully. So what's there here? Mother, where are you going? Daughter, I am going to meet my friend. Mother, it's okay, it's already late and come to home early. Okay, so they have underlined the word, just a second. So here they have underlined what? They have underlined this thing. So for this what you have to do, you have to find out which type of sentence it is and what it's speaking. Either it's offering help, advice, request. Okay, so what this is, what this type of question is this? So here for this you have to watch it carefully. So I am going to my friend. Okay, then mother asks, it's okay, it's already late and come to home early. So what's this? It's an advice or giving suggestion. Advice, see here, offering help is different, and request we can't able to see ki mother is requesting to her daughter, so don't go or something, it's already late and come to home early. What she is giving an advice. Okay, then we'll move on to the next. Read the following conversation and choose the passive form of the underlined sentences. Okay, sentence, sorry, why I am using plural. So here sentence. So what you have to do, did you see my notes? Who asked? Ravi asked. Okay, why I have to read like this? And Kirti said, yes, I saw your notes. So for this underline, I saw your notes, I is there. So you have to change this into what? Into passive form. So what you will write? You will write like your notes was seen by me, or your notes is seen by me. Your notes was saw by me, your notes is saw by me. So what you will do here? So first thing you have to understand vice versa. So what's that vice versa? So here is the sentence is active and active is there. So just a second, active is there. So I made clear the subject plus object. Okay, so here what's the subject in this sentence? So Ravi, did you see my notes? So Ravi, okay, so he's asking Ravi, and subject object is notes. Okay, did you see my notes? So here, and then Kirti said, so here you can say a noun actually, okay. And then what did she say? She says, I saw your notes, okay. So she says like this. So what you have to change. If you want to change to the passive, you have to come object friend, subject will go last. So here also you have to, what you have to do, your notes is saw by me, or your notes saw by me. I saw your notes, okay. Your notes, so here your notes will come first, okay. Saw is there, so either it will be is or was, okay. Was, saw, see, saw and seen, okay. So you should know the like past participle, present participle, then only you can able to understand the sentences, okay. So I told you, and I gave you the definition as well. So what you in an action in a sentence can be represented in two ways, like either it's a active or passive, but you have to change it easily. Subject का हो जाएगा object, object का हो जाएगा subject, correct? No, wrong. So object and subject, okay. So here also the same, your notes is seen by me, or yes, I saw your notes. Your notes was saw by me. Then next over here, so for this again it's little bit tricky, so you may be asking, oh my god, it's very difficult to understand, but it's easy if you understood it clearly, okay. So what you have to do, samely you use this X formula, okay. And then you saw where is the subject and object, and you have to change this. Then easily you have to see key where is the by that form, okay. This is confusing, don't worry. So don't think of it, just see the basic things over here, okay. Then we'll more do as directed, okay. So do as directed also will be there. So in this, what's there is there helping verb. So for the helping verb, as you all know, I made a video. If you didn't watch it, please go and watch the video of tenses. So in that, what I cleared each and everything. Children. I discussed the types of tenses. I discussed about verbs and their types of, like the verbs types, and as well as uses of these verbs, okay. So here I am talking about the helping verb. So how does this helping verb will help you, and what this function. So for this you have to go and watch the video. I have explained there clearly. My mother and father dash very generous. So if the word be is there, what you have to write, it's also mentioned over there. Then the frame the question. So here frame the question. So here Yudhishthira sent Nakula to bring water. Why? So why is there? By using the why, you have to frame the question. Why did Yudhishthira send Nakula? Okay, same thing. Then next we'll move on. Fill in the blanks with correlative conjunction. So conjunction is also important. So just have a look on the conjunction. So here some said the king must prepare the timetable dash he should also follow it. What the conjunction will be there? Conjunctions in the sense the fan boys. I'll give you the acronym here. The fan boys. So what will be the full form? What will be the full form of it? So fan will be for, A will be and, N nor, B but, O or, Y yours, okay, or you, yes. So it's all easy, but you have to understand the fanboys. So conjunctions, if conjunction is there, remember this acronym FANBOY, fanboy, okay. Then write the opposite underlined word, appear. So when a teacher appear on the road, many students what they do, they will appear or what, they disappear, okay. So opposite, and opposite ka another word, what you can say another word, that is antonym. Okay, so antonym, instead of saying opposite, you can use these types of word, that is antonym. And there is another word called synonym. So synonym in the sense what? Yes, synonym in the sense the same like same meaning word. Okay, gorgeous, beautiful, like that you can use. Then over here, give one word. So here also is there a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. What does he called? Okay, and then we have write the correct form of the word given in the bracket. Teacher wanted to know reason for our happy or what. So what you have to write? Yes, happiness. Okay, then so here the question and answers. So that's it about today's video. So yeah, here also it's there about the grammar. It's not about the grammar, it's all about your topics. So go through the topic, go through the poems, and here you may see the passage. So from the passage you have to write the answers of it. Okay, so this is what I need to do for you, for so that you can able to understand the each concept and then you can write it easily. Okay, so learn each day, try to practice whatever I taught in you in this video. So if you don't know about the tenses, go back and watch that video. I know that video is so big, you may be so busy, but it's important for your future, it's important for your exam sake. So if you are watching it clearly and if you are understanding it well, then it will be easy to you, it will be easy for you to crack any exam. Okay, about English. Then yeah, that's it about today's video. Take care, respect your parents, and best of luck for your upcoming exam. Okay, thank you.